Hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. It's Saturday, so that means it's time for Saturday Showcase. If you're new to my channel, Saturday Showcase is where I share all the creations that I still have in my possession from the week. So let's get busy and see what I created this week. I started things off with this fun shaker box for a hop that was anything but a card. I just love it. I still just keep shaking it, and I can't wait to make some more of those. I also forgot to say that all the products will be linked in the description box below, so you can check them out if you missed them the first time around. Next, I had a trio of cards for the Create It 3-Way Instagram hop. I used the same stamp set, same paper pad, and same sketch for all three, but they all turned out so different and so cute, but yet they make a great set. I am really loving doing this. I'm finding myself kind of doing it like making two cards with the same sketch or whatever. It's just fun. So, show you a little bit closer. These all are Newton's Nook products. So birthday mice, and I think it's a birthday party paper pad, and then some dies from there. And on the inside I have Happy Birthday Big Cheese. They all had touches of stickles and glossy accents. And there's the next one. Eek, I missed your birthday. Happy Birthday Big Cheese. And then the third one. Eek, it's your birthday. And again, Happy Birthday Big Cheese. So there was that trio. And then I had this fun card for the Inky Paws Challenge. Oh, goodness, now I'm losing track of what it was. It was for the Inky Paws Challenge. I work so far ahead right now that I can't keep track of everything. Sorry. It's one of those days, I think. Anyways, you are Clawsome, that cute kitty who's so curious about that crab, and that fun paper behind him. And then on the inside, this was for Summer Lovin'. I know that that was the theme of the challenge. Yeah, yeah. And then I ended the week with this fun card, which I had done a coloring of on my channel, but I finally put it together. Happy Holidays. It's just so cute. Those pups are just adorable. And on the inside, it says Merry Christmas. So there are all my creations that I still have in my possession for the week. A very fun week. I still am working ahead on lots of stuff, so I haven't had quite as many videos, but it's all good. It's all good. I'm having fun. I've got lots of new goodies to play with. I have lots of videos that I've made, but a lot of them won't be going live until the end of next month because they were for swaps and stuff. But my daughter also will be going to college around the 13th of August, and after that, look out. I hope to have lots of videos and more process type videos, and yeah, I have lots of ideas. We'll see what really happens though. Anyways, thanks so much for stopping by. Sorry I'm rambling, and I hope you have an amazing day. Go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.